Hi, my name is Brian Driver. I'm from Powhatan, Virginia, and I'm auditioning for the role of Joe.
Hey man, what's going on?
New soda.
Burp. Burp. Burp.
Refreshing.
Wish we're Friday. We do.